Oh, and Scar wants to take a look too. What is that? What are you saying? Yeah. Wow, I agree. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing a air compressor. I picked this up a little while ago and have not had a chance to do it. The one nice thing about this place is a previous owner put in air lines from the outside to the inside. So effectively, you know, we have all the noise and everything outside. But one thing they didn't do, they just had it sitting outside. And so what I want to do is build a little closet for it. And but also along with it, I got this here. Well, I got this separate for my birthday. It's a reel. I actually already have one, but one of the advantages, or what they did here, is they split it. So the front part of the garage has an outlet, back half has an outlet as well. So I'm gonna hook up the one, but let me just show you what the connections look like. Okay, so the outside connections are here. There's 120 here, and then here's the input. I realize I'm gonna have to move that to the front, I believe. So I have to swap those. And then there's also, it's weather protected, but let's see how this works. There's a 220 here for like running welders or maybe RV. Nice that it's there. It won't be used for my use, but so then the plan is I'll be clearing out all of this stuff here. My dad gave me just an old bundle of shingles for the top. So the plan is I'll build it right, the wall will go like right here. So I'm going to run along here, up and over, and then I'll have a little slanted roof with the roof for it. I think the previous owners had just had an old air compressor sitting out here, and I couldn't find one for like a cheap price, so I decided to just buy this one I got. And so we'll unbox that. And but yeah, I have some concrete blocks that are gonna go here, and this will cover this up, and then we'll get air inside. I'll show you the connections inside. All right, so inside, I'm actually kind of using it as a hanger, but we have the one connection here, and then we'll walk over to here. Oops, ran into the ATV. So they have a secondary connection here. It's split out there. And I already had this hose reel from my old house. I brought it with me, so that's already ready to go. So it'll be nice. We can air up cars over here on this side, and then the other side of the garage, I'll have air for tools or whatever. Because right now I'm using this, which I've had this little air compressor forever, but I'd like to get it off the floor and out of here. I could have used this as the outside one, but it's kind of portable, so it's nice to be able to, you know, take it with me somewhere. But all right, we're gonna get to unboxing the compressor, and then start getting prepped for the ground. The manual, yeah, that's good. Let's get that out of the way. Yeah, I opened the top, but I'm not really actually opened this thing. Oh, there's the wheels for it, which this is pretty heavy. Must be something else in here. All right, here's the wheels, and there she is. I actually got it like 6 months ago, and yeah, we'll get this box open, take a little closer look. Open it. But so this was from Harbor Freight. It's the McGraw 21-gallon oil-free, 175 max PSI, and that was the reviews that I read on it. The oilless is what I wanted to go with. And it's fairly quiet, but it's going to be outside anyway, so, and it'll be in its own little thing. But anyway, let's open this bad boy up. Oh. I did notice I got to put the wheels on her. You noticed it too. But it's brand new. Still get the plastic on her. I guess they really want you to know what the numbers are. Big and right up there. So those are heavy tires. Let's just take a guess how this works. There. Yeah. Easy peasy. Oddly, it's 5/8. For some reason, I think it would be metric, but 5/8. All right, well, she's got her legs on her. She's standing up by herself now. That's really all I can do right now. I need to go build the base. Well, I figure before I go to the trouble of installing everything, I better power it up, see if she works. I just bought it. Well, I bought it 6 months ago or so. I never tried it. All right, she's plugged in. Just hit the button, see what happens. Well, she pumps. I probably should read the manual. Maybe there's some drain or something I need to plug first. But hey, at least it works. Well, let's do a couple things I need to do. But the pressurized, no leaks. Seems like pretty solid air. So I guess that means I can take out the little thingies, right? As far as the job's getting out the little stickers. There we go. So pretty. All right, well, the first thing I'm going to do actually, well, I've done a bunch of stuff, but I'm going to change this out to the right style, but it's actually going to go on this side. I could get a little thing and eliminate that, but I don't know. This is what I got. I'm going to do this today, but I need to do this while all this stuff's out of my way, because once it's here, it'll be harder to do. So that's right, I'm gonna do that right now. All right, last piece going on. Alright, well, I need to go get the tractor now. Let's see, what else do I need? Because I'm going to get the footings. They're kind of big and heavy, but I want a nice solid base for it. Let's go get in the tractor. Get it fired up. Hopefully she fires right up. Usually she does. Let's see here. Alright. Throttle. Neutral. Key. Oh, gotta make sure clutch is all the way in. Okay, so these blocks are the blocks that I'm getting. They're pretty thick. I don't know, 6 inches, 5 inches. Actually dug these out of other places, but put them here. But I'm just gonna get 4. I think that's plenty, and then I'll have a nice solid base. But they are heavy, so I brought the tractor over so I can just sort of slide them in. And then I'll have to get some gravel too, but all right, let's get to it. I think I'm gonna move the tractor closer. A lot easier than lifting them anyway. Ugh. Okay, we'll take those back and have those ready to go. Oh my goodness. Should have put them a couple inches closer. All right. Okay. Yeah, they're like all wobbly. Maybe I just have to dig down, make them level each one. Ugh. Okay. One, and then the other one. Oh, it's gonna be perfect. It'll be about right here. That's where I want it. Sweet. Why did I pick such heavy blocks though? Ugh. I guess because they're free. Wait, can this come off? Nope. That's solid. And let's prep the ground. Well, all of them are not flat on the bottom. I don't know, maybe they're poured in place into a form or something. I'm gonna go ahead, just put them all in. I don't know which one's better or worse, but I'll get them all in place here real quick and then try to level it out. Oh yeah, everything clears. It even looks level. That was lucky. All right, let's see if this power works. I think it works. Have we used the power lately?
No, but the former owner did.
Oh, we use it with the RV. I bet it should work. No. Maybe circuit breakers flipped.
Maybe.
Or maybe this doesn't need it. It's probably already up to pressure. That's right. It's got to go down to 135. So okay, I bled off. We're down to like 120 pounds. Now I'll see if it works. It was just below the cutoff. So, perfect. That was all I was going to do today, but maybe I'll start looking for the wood to build the cabinet around it. Yeah, I guess so. Alright, let's do that. Okay, so I mean, I got the base on. I didn't do any of the, I don't know, cabinet, closet, whatever we're going to call it. I did get the wood. I dug some of the wood out. These are scrap, sort of scrap pieces. They're not really 2x4s. They were locally milled, and they're sort of weird sizes. But anyway, the base is in there, and it's solid. It's not going anywhere. And I had an airline hooked up, and no leaks, so it all works as it should. Looking forward to well, I'm gonna start working on the frame. I don't know if I'll finish it today, but it's just nice to get out of the garage, if anything. So let's get to putting together something.